In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. Whether you're setting up a new channel or updating an existing one, understanding how to manage the privacy settings can be really beneficial for maintaining the confidentiality of your conversations and data. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. Start by heading to your Slack homepage. From here, we'll move to the channels section. You'll see a list of all your existing channels and also the option to create a new one. If you want to keep things fresh and start from scratch, click on Create a New Channel. Once you've decided to create a new channel, the first task is to give it a name. It's best to choose something descriptive that reflects the channel's purpose, making it easy for others in your workspace to understand what it's all about. Once you've settled on a name, click on Next to proceed. Now, you're going to land on the settings page. Here, you have the opportunity to adjust some key settings before finalizing the creation of your channel. You'll notice that there are two main privacy options available. You can choose to initially set the channel as public, allowing everyone in your workspace to view and join. Alternatively, if you are ready to make this channel private from the very start, you can do so immediately. A private channel ensures that only invited members can see or contribute to discussions, which is crucial for sensitive topics or projects where confidentiality is a priority. To make it private right away, simply select the private option during the setup process. After confirming your choice, go ahead and click Create to set up your channel. At this point, you'll see an option to skip for now concerning adding members or setting up additional features. Selecting this will finalize your channel setup. When you revisit your channel list, you'll notice a small lock icon next to your new channel, indicating that it's private. If on the other hand over time you decide to change your channel's privacy settings, rest assured that adjustments can be made. You simply enter the channel settings and change it according to your needs. However, keep in mind that once a channel is made private, you cannot switch it back to public. Remember, channels are an excellent way to streamline communication in Slack, and managing their privacy settings can give you more control over who has access to crucial conversations. And that's it! You've successfully made a channel private in Slack. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.